Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the examples on identities. Okay. So here yesterday we have learned the identities about the cube, right? So now we will have the example. Simplify 4x plus 2y bracket cube plus 4x minus 2y bracket cube. So we have learned about the identities of a plus b bracket cube and a minus b bracket cube. Okay. So first we will write the identities in which form: this a plus b bracket cube plus this a minus b bracket cube. So first we will find what is the expansion of this. Final expansion you will get, right? So a plus b bracket cube identity means what? What is the expansion for that? A cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b plus 3ab square. This is the expansion of a plus b bracket cube, right? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or 3ab in bracket a plus b, like this. Okay. And here plus, what is the expansion of a cube a minus b bracket cube? That is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Correct? So in this way now we will see here this a cube remains as it is, so 2a cube will be there. This b cube and this b cube will get cancelled. This 3a square b minus 3a square will be get cancelled, and here 3ab square plus 3ab square, so you will get 6ab square. Okay, so here plus 6ab square. So you will get final expansion. Now here again we will do here what is the common? 2 is the common. Then a cube is here and here a. So a is common. So what is remaining here? A square. Okay. Plus 2 3s are 6. And here a is already out. So here 3ab square. So final expansion you will get for this a plus b bracket cube plus a minus b bracket cube, that you will get 2a in bracket a square plus 3ab square. Okay. So here a plus b bracket cube plus a minus b bracket cube. So you will get this, what? 2a in bracket a square plus 3b square. Okay. So if any numerical examples will come this form, or like this example will come this form, we can use direct formula this. Okay. So here now we will simplify this example. 4x plus 2y bracket cube plus 4x minus 2y bracket cube. So here equals to, now this is a, b, this a and this b. Okay. So 2 in bracket a is what? Your 4x. A is what? 4x in bracket a square means 4x square. We will keep this like this. 4x square plus 3 into b square. B square means whose square? 2y, right? So 2y bracket square. Right? Now here 4 2s are 8x in bracket. Here 4 square is 16. So 16x square plus 3 into 2 square is 4. That is y square. Multiplication of this. Now here 8x in bracket 16x square plus 4 3s are 12 y square. Okay. So now here we will make the multiplication of this also. 16 8s are how many? 8 6 are 48. So 4 is there. 8 1s are 8 plus 4 12. So 16 8s are 128, and this x square, that you will get x cube plus 12 8s are 96 xy square. So final simplified answer of this example, so you will get this. Okay, now we will see the next example by using here the minus sign. Okay, so a plus b bracket cube minus a minus b bracket cube. Okay. Next same example we will use to find the difference between the two cubes. Okay. So here now we will use the same identities for here. A plus means instead of this you will write what we will write a plus b bracket cube. Now minus in subtraction is there, but before only we have learned here positive sign was there, right? So here a minus b bracket cube. Okay. So here we have to write the expansion of this. So a plus b bracket cube means what? A cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, this is the expansion of this identity a plus b bracket cube. Then we sign is there minus. If the minus sign, we have to keep the bracket. Because of this sign, all the signs will get changed. Now here a minus b bracket cube means what? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. Now we will remove the bracket. Next step, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now this minus a cube, this minus minus will come plus b cube minus minus plus 3a square b and minus plus minus 3ab square. Right? Now here see what will get cancelled. A cube will get cancelled. Then this b cube and this b cube will add here. So 2b cube. Then 3a square b and this 3a square b both are positive. So we will add. So 6a square b. Then 3ab square minus 3ab square will get cancelled. So you will get this answer. So here we can take 2 common. B also we can take common, or we can keep as it is also. B cube also we will keep inside the bracket. So plus 2 3s are 6 and here a square b. Okay, so what is the simplified answer of this difference between the two cube is 2 in bracket b cube plus 3a square b. Or we can take here b is also common because b is here this term and this term also. Right, so previous example in that we have taken here common from this a, right? So there was different came, so there we have taken 2a outside. So in this also we can take or we can keep as it is. Okay, now we will solve this example which is depend upon this identities form. Okay, so here now 4x plus 2y bracket cube minus 4x minus 2y bracket cube. So because of this you will get direct answer. Means there is no need to make all the expansion. Okay, just we have to remind when difference between the two cube is there, then you will get what? 2 in bracket b cube plus 2 3s are 6 a square b. Only we have to keep this formula in your mind. Okay. So now here according to that what will be there? 2 b cube. B cube means here this a and this b. A b. So b cube means 2y cube. Right? Then plus 3 into a square. A square means 2 square. 4x square into b. B is what? 2y. Okay. Now here 2 in bracket. What is the 2 cube? 2 cube is 8y cube plus here 3 into 4 square is 16 x square plus 2y. Right? This we will take here. Okay. So 2 in bracket I will write as it is 8y cube. 8y cube plus here 3 16s are 48. 48 2s are 96. Okay. So 96 x square y. Okay, again we will further simplify this. 2 8s are 16y cube plus 296 means 2 6s are 12. 1 is carrying over. Then 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19 x square y. So this is the simplified answer of this example. Now we will see the more examples on these identities. Okay. Next example, if x plus y equals to 12 and xy equals to 27, find the value of x cube plus y cube. Okay, so here x plus y is given and here xy value is given, and find, you have to find the x cube plus y cube. Means if you have to find the positive sign is there, then which identity we will use? X plus y bracket cube identity. X plus y bracket cube identity. So what is the x plus y bracket cube? Means a plus b bracket cube identity, that is a cube. A cube means what? X cube plus y cube plus 3ab in bracket, means here 3ab means what? 3xy in bracket x plus y. Okay, so here if you will use 3x square y and 3xy square, then x square y we don't have the value. It means we don't have this value. See here, x cube plus y cube plus, if you multiply this, then 3x square y plus 3xy square. So this x square y, xy square, that values are not with us, so we will use this form of this identity. Okay, so here x plus y value is given, that is 12 cube. So x cube plus y cube plus 3 into xy. Xy value is given for us, that is 27 in bracket x plus y 12. Okay, so here 12 cube. 12 cube means what? 12 square is 144. Multiply again 12. So 12 fours are 48, right? So 4 is there, then again 12 fours are 48. 48 plus 4, then 52. Okay, so this 2 is there, then 5. So 12 1 are 12 plus 5, 17. Okay, 1728. So here 1728. Then x cube plus y cube plus, here 3 sevens are 21. So 2 is there, 3 2 are 6 plus 2, 8. 3 27s are 81 into 12. Okay, so x cube plus y cube plus, here 12 ones are 12. 2 is there, carrying over 1. 12 8s are 96 plus 1, 97. Okay, now here 1728. Now we need to find out the x cube plus y cube. Okay, so here 1728. Now this plus number will come for your subtraction. So minus 972. Okay, so you will get x cube plus y cube. Right, now here 1728 minus 972 we have to do. So minus 972. Right, so here 2 minus 8, 6. 12 minus 2 minus 7 possible? No, so 12 minus 7, that you will get 5. Then give back, then 17 minus 10, that is 7, and here 0. So you will get 756 equals to x cube plus y cube. So here x cube plus y cube equals to 756. Understand? Now we will see next example. Next example is, if x plus 1 by x equals to 7, then find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. If you have to find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube, then we will use a minus b bracket cube identity. But we have to find here a cube plus b cube. B cube means which identity we will use? A plus b bracket cube identity, right? So here identity is what? A plus b bracket cube. So what will be the expansion? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. This expansion will be used for this simplification. Okay, now see here, what is a plus b? This is your a and this is your b. So here x plus 1 by x bracket cube equals to a cube means which cube? X cube. Okay, plus b cube means 1 by x bracket cube, right? Plus 3ab. So 3 into a is what? X, into b is what? 1 by x. A is x and b is 1 by x. And second bracket a plus b means x plus 1 by x. Okay. Now here we will keep the value of x plus 1 by x. It is given 7. So 7 cube is equals to this x cube plus 1 cube is 1, x cube is x cube, right? Plus this 3 x will get cancelled, so what is remaining? 3 1s are 3, and here multiply by x plus 1 by x value is what? 7, so 7. Okay, now what is the cube of 7 cube? That is 343. Okay, equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 7s are 21. Now this plus 21 will comes to here for subtraction, so you will get here only x cube plus 1 by x cube. So here 343 minus 21, right? So finally you will get value of x cube plus 1 by x cube is equals to, now 3 minus 1 it is 2, then 4 minus 2 2, and here this is 3, so 322. Understood? Next example, evaluate. Here a cube minus b cube form is there, means 23 cube minus 17 cube we have to find out. Why we are using the identities? Because if you will find the cube, then 23 into 23 into 23 we have to do, minus again 17 cube we have to find, and then we have to find the final answer. So make the calculation easy, then we have to use the identity, right? So we are applying the identity. So this will write this 23, how you will get 20 plus 3 bracket cube, right? Then what is the sign here? Minus, and 17 how you will write? 20 minus 3. Okay, so 20 minus 3 bracket cube. So which form came here? See, we have learned before only this a plus b bracket cube minus a minus b bracket cube. So we have solved this. What the expansion came final? Here 2 into bracket b cube, 2 into bracket b cube plus 3, 2 into bracket b cube plus 3 a square b. This expansion we have got, right? So this expansion we have got. So we will use the same here. 23 cube means what? 20 plus 3 bracket cube minus 20 minus 3 bracket cube. That means 23 cube minus 17 cube. Okay. So here we have brought this in. We have brought this form number into this form. Okay. Then here 2 in bracket b cube. B cube means what? This is a, this is b, a and b, right? So b cube means whose cube? 3 cube plus 3 into a square. A square means whose square? 20 square into b is what? 3. Now here we will make the calculation. 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 3 into 20 square is 400 multiplied by 3. Okay. So here 2 into 27 plus 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and this 2 0. So 3600. Okay. You can do the addition of this number and then to multiply, or here 2 27s are 54 plus 36 2s are 72, and this 00. Okay. So here what is the addition of this? 7 2 and this 5 4 we will add here, right? So 7254, 7254. So this is the value of a cube minus b cube, means 23 cube minus 17 cube. Okay, so what? 7254. So in this way we have to apply the given identities. Okay. Now next we will see the next one identity. Find means what is a cube plus b cube. Okay, so we have already got this identity, means what is the expansion or what is the expanded form of this a cube plus b cube. See how we got here. So we have learned that identity a plus b bracket cube. So what is the expansion of this? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b, right? Yesterday we have learned this. Now here, so here a cube we have to find the value of a cube plus b cube. So here a cube plus b cube. So this plus 3ab will go for this side. So for the subtraction, means plus will be there minus. So you will get a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Right? So this type of expansion we have done. So here a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab. Okay. So this is the expansion we have learned. So also we can make it again into the different form. See how here a cube plus b cube. So just only we will find out what is the another expansion of a cube plus b cube. Okay. So here see, from this only we will simplify. Here a plus b bracket cube is there minus 3ab So here we will write this a cube plus b cube is equals to what? A plus b bracket cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, so this expansion we have learned already. Now we will see this a cube plus b cube having the different expansion. Okay, so here see we will use the same and we will find what is the different expansion for this a cube plus b cube by using this same. Okay, so a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, so a plus b. Now we will use this only, right? So a plus b bracket cube means what? Here see, before negative sign and after negative sign. So before this and after this. So here a plus b how many times? 3 times. Okay, and here a plus b how many times? Only 1 time. So what is the common factor in that? A plus b. 1 time a plus b is common, correct na? So see here how you will write this? A plus b into a plus b into a plus b. It means that a plus b how many times? 3 times. Okay, and minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, understood this step? Only we are simplifying this whatever we have learned yesterday. Okay, so here now what is the common? We can take one of the a plus b, it is the common factor into this. Okay, so a plus b if you will take common, then what is inside? A plus b how many times? 2 times. So you will get a plus b bracket square minus this a plus b is already out. So you will remaining here 3ab. Okay. Now see, this a plus b is as it is, we will keep and we will expand this what? A plus b bracket square identity we have learned. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, for this expansion and minus 3ab. Okay, so here next a plus b as it is. Now a square plus b square we will keep as it is a square plus b square, or we will write here this a square. Is there any other a square? No. So a square as it is a square plus 2ab minus 3ab. Okay, so these are the like term. So we can add or subtract. So one positive, one negative. So subtraction is there. So 3ab minus 2ab, 1ab, but greater number sign is negative. So minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is the expansion, new one expansion a cube plus b cube identity. Okay, so if you have to find only single that a cube plus b cube, so we can apply this also. Now this identity we will use for this example. Find the following product, right? So we have learned this identity what? A cube plus b cube. So this form, see here, this identity we have learned a cube plus b cube. So what was the expansion? So here a plus b. Okay, and second bracket x square minus ab plus b square. Okay. So now here we have given the example in which form? This form, right? So we have given into this form, factors form like this, right? So we have to find the product, means final answer into this form. Okay. So here we have no need to find what is the actual A. It is given into this first bracket. This is your A and this is your B. Okay. So here 3x plus 2y, and second bracket we will just write down this 9 whole square 3 and x square whole square x. So 3x square means this is your A square minus, and here we will keep the bracket, we will keep the sign as it is, b square. B square means what? 2. 4 square is 4 is square of 2. So and y is the square of y square is the square of y. Okay. So middle terms are a, b. So what is A? A is your 3x into b is what? 2y. So this came into the form a square minus ab. Okay. ab means 3 2s are 6xy. ab plus b square. So this is the product of which identity? That is a cube plus b cube. Correct. So this form came a plus b and second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So what is the product of this? A cube plus b cube. Understood? So a cube means whose cube? 3x cube. A cube plus b cube means 2y cube. Okay, so you will get here 3 cube is 27x cube plus 2 cube is what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8y cube. Understood everyone? Now we will see what is the expansion of like this. So a cube minus b cube. Now we see the next identity, a cube minus b cube. So what is the expansion of this, right? So we have already seen this terms in which identity. So here a plus b, here a minus b bracket cube. So a minus b bracket cube, what say? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket what? A minus b. Okay. So here what we have done to find the a cube minus b cube. So here this number minus 3ab in bracket a minus b we have shift to this side, right? So here a minus b bracket cube, then minus will come, this minus sign will come to here, plus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Okay. So here a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b bracket cube plus 3ab in bracket a minus b. So such expansion we have learned already yesterday. Again we will see what is the different type of expansion for this a cube minus b cube by using the same. Okay. So here now see we can do the direct. A minus b how many times here? 3 times, and here before positive sign and after plus sign, before plus sign and after plus sign. So a minus b bracket cube is there. So how many times this bracket? 3 times. A minus b factor is how many times? 3 times. And here in this the number, so here a minus b is 1 time, right? So we can take here a minus b common. Yes, of course we can take a minus b common. Inside what? Here from this 3 a minus b means 3 times a minus b, that 1 time a minus b came outside. So here a minus b is 2 times with remains. Okay, so multiplication of these two numbers you will get a minus b bracket cube, right? This sign is here plus, here this already outside. So what is remaining? 3ab, right? Now we will expand this a minus b as it is. We will expand this a minus b bracket square identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this plus 3ab. Okay, so here a minus b second bracket a square, now minus 3ab plus 3ab. So 3ab minus 2ab, that is 1ab, that is ab, and plus b square. So finally we will write here a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b and second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so this is the final expansion of this, means different type. A cube minus b cube we can expand like this also, or we can like this also. Okay, so how to keep in mind that, see here, when a cube minus b cube, then first bracket is positive, that is a minus b, and second bracket a square plus ab plus b square, all terms are positive. Okay, and when a cube plus b cube is there, then we have to how to keep in mind positive. So here a plus b, and second bracket a square, only middle term is negative plus b square. So here only the changes. When negative is there, a cube minus b cube, then in second bracket all terms positive. And when a cube plus b cube, then positive sign is there, and then second bracket what? All term, middle term is negative. And these first term brackets are according to your identities. Understood? Now different types of example we will see on next lecture.